Hello everyone. Welcome back to Next Gen Data Aspirants Community YouTube channel. This is Babu. Today in this video I will walk you through Microsoft Fabric Real-Time Intelligence. So here if you see in this video we are going to build a Indian Railways live operations dashboard. Ideally if you are traveling from one place to another place in India and if you are preferred train journey, so you will book a ticket and you will travel from, let's say for example, Bangalore to Delhi, Bangalore to Hyderabad. So usually what you will do, you will track so where the my train is, so you will download the app from Play Store and you will download and you will track it, how much hours it is delaying, or is the train is on time, and currently where it is, like that you will track. So now today we are going to build the same dashboard. We are going to build the same dashboard with the help of Microsoft Fabric Real-Time Intelligence. Okay, now let's see the architecture diagram. Now here if you see the architecture diagram is, first what we will do, we will create a event house with KQL database, and later we will create event stream for ingestion and processing, and what we will do, we will get the public API, and with the help of HTTP connector we will pull the data into event stream. Then we will push the data to KQL database. Then we will clean the data, and with the help of KQL scripts we will build the real-time live operations dashboard. All right, now before jumping into this, so there are two prerequisites. One is you should have at least Microsoft Fabric trial license. Another one is you should have knowledge on KQL, which is Kusto Query Language, KQL. Okay, fine. Now you may ask, are we going to pull all the Indian Railways data? No. So there are few open APIs. I'll tell you what was the. See, if you see in India, we have different zones: South Central Railway, Northeast Railway, Northeast Frontier Railway, Western Railway, like that. So in that there is a zone. There is a zone called Konkan Railway Zone. Konkan Railway Zone. So if you are from India, and especially if you are from Maharashtra or uh, Goa and Karnataka, so this Konkan Railway Zone is belongs to the west coast. Konkan Railway Zone is belongs to the west coast. So it would be operating from maybe from Mumbai to Mangalore. So the, this Konkan Railway Zone people are offering a free public web API. From this we will pull the data and we will clean the data and we will build the dashboard. Okay, fine. Now let's get into the Microsoft Fabric environment. So here now I am on my Microsoft Fabric environment. My trials is activated. So now let me create a new workspace which is Konkan Railways workspace, and make sure you need to select Fabric trial. As part of prerequisite you should have Fabric trial license. Let's click apply. Once if you click apply, now you will be on the new workspace. So here what you need to do, first as part of this architecture diagram we will create event house. So let's click on new item, then you would see a one window here. So from here frequently I am using this workloads, that's why it is showing for me here, but for you it may or it may not show. So let me go and search event. So now here you can see event house. Let's click. So now let me give a proper name, Konkan. See, it's already there, Konkan Railways event house. Let's stands for event house. Let's follow some best practices. Let's click on create. Now when you create, so it would create a event house which is having event house. This KQL, this icon represents KQL database. Fine. Now we will go and create event stream. Okay, again let me go back to the workspace. Let's click on the workspace. Again let's click on new item. Now this time you need to create event stream. See here, already we created Eventhouse. Now let's click on Eventstream. Once if you click on Eventstream, now here you can see this window. Let's give a Konkan Railways underscore ES. ES stands for Event Stream. Let's click create. Let's click create. Now it is creating event stream. See, it is loaded. Now here if you see, this is the event stream interface before loading the data. Okay, see here there are three options. One is custom endpoint. See, custom endpoint, if you don't have your connector, you can use this custom endpoint. We'll see in future what is this custom endpoint. By using this custom endpoint, how we can pull the data. Okay, fine. Next, you can use some sample data. You can use some sample data. See, if you are a beginner and you are very interested to learn this Microsoft Fabric real time process, so you can click here and you can go with some sample data set. Now the thing is connect to data sources. Here they are provide few connectors. Let's see what is this by clicking on this. Once if I click on this, now here you are seeing a pop-up which is having the connectors, supported connectors. Now here if you see, you can see stock market, Azure Events Hub, Azure SQL Database, CDC, change data capture. There is something capacity over events, one lake events, and I'll talk 1 minute about this real-time weather connector. See, already I created a video about how you can build the real-time weather dashboard by using this real-time connector, which is already available in our NDAC YouTube channel. I would request you, please go back and watch those videos to build this real-time weather dashboard. Okay, fine. Now here you can see I'm looking for HTTP connector, which is not here. So it is just a recommended sources. Now either you can click on here, either you can click on here. See, now here you can see you are able to see all the connectors. And of course, one good thing, see, they are categorized into different streams, which is Microsoft sources. Okay, again databases, again Azure events, again Fabric events, again sample scenarios. See, this is sample data sets: bicycle rentals, yellow taxi, stock market, and there is something called public feeds. Now here you can see there are two public connectors. One is which is already I talked about this real time weather, and the second one is HTTP connector. Okay, now let's click on connect. So the moment when I click on connect, now it is recommending some public APIs. See, there is something financial data. Again, this is financial data. This is transporter for London. This is news API, open weather, financial data. And I think these two might be new updates. Previously, it was not there. Okay, YouTube videos and GitHub. Okay, so now this is not my requirement. Let me click on exit. See, now from here what you can do, here you need to set up a new connection. Let's go and click on this new connection. Once if you click on new connection, here you would be seeing one more pop-up on top of this. Okay, see, now here you need to fill this form, that's all. See, in this what you can do, you need to pass the API URL. Let me go to my notepad. See, this is the public API URL, Konkan Railway API. Let me copy this. Don't worry, I'll provide this link in this video description. Let me paste it here. So once if I paste it, see, it is automatically taking, but for you it may ask you to fill all details. What I will do, let me go and create new connection. See, this is how it would look like for you. Okay, this is how it would look like. Now here what I will do, let me go and take SI Babu Konkan Railways. Okay, this connection name is, I'm giving some random name. So make sure that data gateway is not required. Authentication, as of now you can go with anonymous, and don't check this tick box because this HTTP connector is in the preview stage. Okay, let's click on connect. Once if you click on connect, see, now we can rename. What is this HTTP? I don't like this name. Okay, so what I will do, I will rename this as a Konkan Railways sorry, data source, Konkan Railways data source. So now here you can see you need to use request get method. Okay, these are some default settings. Just keep as is default settings. So now everything is set. Click on next. See, now review and connect. Again, click on add. Now you can see this is the event stream user interface. Okay, this is how event stream user interface will look like. See, now here you are able to see some data, count 21, last fetched at this, last updated at this, and see if I am on hovering. Now here you are able to see some trains data which is in the JSON format, JSON structured format. Okay, now so for cleaning and processing the data, we will use KQL database. So what I will do, let me go and add. Our destination is here in architecture diagram, you can see event house. Let me go and to select from here, scroll down, let's take event house. See now here, you can take event process before ingestion. So event destination name, event house, let me keep as it is. So workspace is this and event house name is event house, it is already created, and we have already KQL database which is under this. Let's select this. Now KQL destination table, you need to create a table. Okay, you need to create a table. Let's click on this create new because we don't have any table. Okay, because we don't have any table. So now let me give the name as a KR trains underscore data underscore TB. KR trains, Konkan Railway trains data table. TB stands for table. Now input data format is JSON. Already you seen it. Let me click on save. See now everything is set. See, for ingesting data from source to destination via event stream, you need to publish. When you publish, then only the data will flow from here to here. Let's click on publish. See now it is telling that committing topology. Okay, see, successfully published. It is successfully published. Now let's wait till this both should be active. Perfect. Now here you can see both the source and destination, both are, it is showing active. Here you can see there is a radio button, it is active and it is active. So in between these two, event stream as acting like a bridge, it is collecting the data and it is processing the data to here. See now here you can see there is some data. There is some data. Okay, there is some data. Okay, now what we will do, let's go to the event house. Okay, let's go to the event house. So here let's click on this KQL database. So now it is opened a window, KQL database. Now here you can see the data and there is some data is flowing. There is some data is flowing. Okay, now let's click on the table. Once if I click on the table, now here you can see the table which is presented in the JSON format. See here, station name, direction, status arrived, express type, like this it is showing. Now let's clean this data. So clean means let's make it into a proper table structured format. So for that let's take query set, click on this query set here. So let me delete this default data. First let's see how this data look like. Okay, KR trains TB, take 20 rows. Let's click on run. See, once if I run here also, I can able to see the data in the JSON format. Okay, so what I'll do, I have a code which is already prepared. So let me use that code. Let me go to my notepad. Here, don't worry, I'll put this all code in GitHub and I will share it with you. Okay, I will share it with you. So now what we will do, we will convert this to as a proper table structured format. Let me go here. Let me replace this with this code. So what is this code here? It is, so already I provided my comments. It is converting the all the required columns. See here, if you see, let's say just a minute. See, trains. First I would like to get train number. So after that train name, station, where is it going to upward direction, downward direction, and delayed by how many hours, how many minutes, and what is the status time, like this. So that's what here I mentioned here. Now let me run this. Once if I run this, see here what's happening, it is getting the direction, train number, name, station, status, type, and here you can see delayed by 2 hours 23 minutes. Status, now this video I am doing at evening 6 p.m. IST, 18 hours 8 minutes. Okay, fine. Now what we will do now, so data is in the JSON format. So what we will do, we will actually this is a original table, this is a original table which is I am getting from the event stream. So what I will do, I don't want to touch this original table, I'll create separate table. So for that what we will do, first we will create a schema with only required columns, it only required columns. Take a new query set, paste it here. Here what's happening, I am creating a some table which is clean it trains table, clean it trains table. Here train number, directions, what are the columns which is required for my analysis. I am creating column name, data type, column name, data type. Now let me select this, let me run this. When I run this, see here the schema is created. Now let's push this data from here to here. So what I'll do, let me take this, so we will go and append this data to there. So let's take one more KQL query set, let me push it here. Here also what we are doing, we are appending all this data to this clean it trains table structure. So now let's run it. Once if I run, see total 559 rows returned. Now let's go and see the data. Okay, clean it data, take 20, let's run it. See now here you would be getting train number, only required columns, direction, name, currently this train is where, in which station it is available, status, is it arrived or left, type. See in India we have express, Shatabdi, superfast, and passenger, and there are some different type of trains are there. So this is delayed by hours, delayed by minutes. Okay, fine. Now what we will do now, um, to show this data in a geographical map, which is like your Azure maps or Google maps. So you need to have a location coordinates. When I say location coordinates, you should have latitude and longitude. So what I'll do, let's go and create a some location data table. So let me take a copy of this data which is already I extracted, which is already I prepared. So now let's take one more here, let me paste it here. Now here what I'll do, see here what I am doing, station name, latitude, longitude, station name, latitude, longitude, station name, latitude, longitude. So I collected all the stations which is available in Konkan railway zone, and with the help of our Google I created this latitude and longitude. Now let's run it. Once if I run it, it is created a table called station coordinates, which you can see here. See, which you can see here. Let me see this, how the data look like. 10. Okay, let me run it. See, station name, latitude, longitude. Station name, latitude, longitude. Fine. Now what we will do? Let me go to this query set. Now let's start building the dashboard. So from here take new dashboard, take new dashboard. Now for this what you can do, you can give a name, uh, KR trains live status dashboard. KR means Konkan railways. Let's click on create. Once if you click on create, now so dashboard is created, click on open dashboard. Perfect. Now here you can see we are on the dashboard screen. Sorry, we are on the dashboard screen. Now here it is currently in the table format. Click on this edit pencil icon. Now here you would be navigated to the edit settings in the dashboard. Now this copilot is not required for now. Let me close it. See now if any one of you, those who are watching this video, if you are they are working maybe for past 1 or 2 years in Microsoft Fabric real-time intelligence, they are completely changed the user interface. Previously it would not show like this. Previously there was some other kind of user interface. Okay, fine. Now let's get back into the subject. Now first I'll create a map. So for that, here I have the code. So what I'll do, I'll take this. Don't worry, I'll share this all the code, my GitHub link to you. So please practice. Go here. Let's replace the code with this. See here what's happening. So first I am taking the show active trains data from last 3 hours. So get only the latest position of each train. Okay. Next here I am calculating the delay in minutes. So we have two columns. Okay. Hours and minutes. So I am multiplying this hours into 60 for getting the minutes, and plus adding this minutes to get the total delay in minutes. Next, so here what we are doing, we are joining this look by using lookup the state coordinates table with this one on a station name column, later we are writing a case statement. If the delay equal to 0, the bubble it will show green. So if the delay less than or equal to 30, it will show yellow. If the delay greater than 30 and less than or equal to 60, it's orange. Otherwise it's red. Okay, now let's run this. Once if you run this, see now here you can see the data. Now how you can plot this in visual? Go and click on this visualization. That's all. Now here you can see a window. Okay. Now from this, here you will find lot of visuals. Okay, lot of visuals. From here, let's go and select map. See now here you are able to see this in the map, but this is showing in somewhere. I am not sure it is showing in C. Okay, so how you can correct it? Let's expand this general, not general, sorry. Let's expand this data. Here define locations by, you can select latitude and longitude. Okay, now here in the latitude you should have the latitude column. In the longitude you should have the longitude column, and label name is name. Name means which is train name. See now here if I scroll up this, see that's what, when I am starting of this video I mentioned, see it is where nearby close to the Mumbai, and followed by Pune, not Pune, sorry, Goa, then followed by the destination is Mangalore. Okay, fine. See now here if you see there is a train. Let's see what is this. MUK passenger. Okay, maybe it is running on time. Let's see, there are two greens. This is SHRKR GAURD. This is MACU. Maybe this is Vande Bharat train. See, now we are capturing the Vande Bharat live status. Okay. Those who are from India, they will get to know that what is Vande Bharat train. So now everything is set. Now let me rename it train status on map. Let's come here. Let's go to the general. Let's type this name as a train status on map. Now here you can see the chart name. Everything is set. Let's go and click on done. Now here you can see the live operational dashboard. See, I mean you are seeing in the map. Okay, now let's go and add few KPIs. Now let's go and add few KPIs. Okay, so what we will do, how you can add other visuals. Here you can see add visual. Click on this drop down. Let's take card. Okay, let's take card. So here now I would like to calculate how many total trains running today. Okay, see this is the code. Let me copy this and let me paste this here. So now let me run it. See, total trains are running as on today, I mean based on the latest within last 3 hours, 23 trains. Okay, now let's go and take this title. Let me go here. Let's go to the visualization. In general, let me rename it. See, now let's click done. See, total trains running. Okay, total trains running. Okay, fine. Now next, let me decrease the width. Let's go and add one more card. Now this time what I'll do, I'll calculate, I mean I'll plot total passenger trains. Passenger trains means those trains which is carrying people, passenger trains. See here if you see how I can calculate. See here I'll take train type super fast express Shatabdi passenger mail or express, and I'll take the count of the train number. Okay, let me run this. So total passenger trains are 22. Okay, total passenger trains are 22, which is running today based on the last 3 hours. Let me rename this. Okay, let's click done. Okay, now total passenger trains. Now let's go and take next code. So how many total stations we have? How many total stations we have? Let me go and take new code. Let me paste it here. Let me run this. See here I am taking count distinct of the station from this cleaned trains table data. So total stations are 28. So now let me rename this as a total trains. Let me go here. Let me rename this. Let me click on done. Now here you can see I have total stations count. Now let's go and calculate total goods trains running. See, already you know the answer. Total trains is 23, total trains is 22. So obviously if I go and take card and if I run this code, here obviously we'll get 1. But here what we are doing, where type not in this one, where type not in this one. Let me run this, you would get 1. Okay, now let me take this name. Let's go here. Let's click on visualization. In general, let me paste it. Let's click done. Okay, now let's expand this. Let me bring this here, and let me adjust it accordingly. Okay, let me adjust it accordingly. Okay, total goods trains running today. Okay, fine. Now what we will do, let's go and calculate total delay. Okay, so here again, let's go here. Let's take a new card. Let enter here. See here what we are doing, we are calculating, we are multiplying the hours into 60 plus delay minutes. So later we are summing up. Let's run this. Once if I run this, total delay is 66,732. Okay, fine. Now let's take total delay in minutes. Come here, let's go to the visual, let's go to the general, and let's rename it. Let's click done. See now total delay in minutes. Total delay in minutes. Now let's go and calculate total uh, on time trains count, which means how many trains are running on time. Let's take one more card and let me paste the code here. So here what we are doing, we are calculating the delay and we are passing a condition where total delay minutes equal to 0. Then 0 trains means, so 0 delay means it's running on time, so that we are taking the count. Let me run this. So there are 2 trains which is running on time. Okay, let me go and take the name of this. Let's go here, let's go to the general, let me run it. So total on time trains count, let me click done. See now here you can see total on trains. Okay, let me just a minute. Let me put this here. Now it looks perfect. Now it looks perfect. So now what we will do, this is fine. Now what we will do, we will go and calculate top delayed trains and its minutes. How many minutes it was delaying? It means that I would like to see the train number and how many times it delayed. So let's go and tag this time, not this card, this multi card. Let's take here, let me paste this query here. Here what we are doing, we are calculating this and we are summarizing by train number and we are getting this only required columns and order it by total delayed minutes. Let me run this. Once if I run this, now here you can see there are here one place you are seeing some train code and some place there are train numbers. See why here we are seeing instead of number some train number. If you think yes, you got the point. There is one goods train. If you remember, for goods train we don't have number. That's why it is showing links. That's why it is almost 1200 minutes delay. Almost 1200 minutes delay. So let me rename it properly, top delayed trains and its minutes. Let me go here, let's click on the visualization. In general, let me paste this title, and now here I'll show something. See, we can apply some conditional formatting. Okay, let's say if it is greater than uh, 2 hours, means 120 minutes, it should be red. If it is less than 120, it should be yellow, and if it is less than 30 minutes, it should be green. So let's go to, there is an option called conditional formatting. Click on add rule and click on this pencil icon. Now here you can select total delay minutes. It is greater than 120, sorry, greater than 120, greater than or equal to 120. Now the color is red, and here what I will do, let me go and put that as a, let me go and use emoji sad. So because it is too much late, let's click on save. See, now this is, now let me go and add one more rule. Let's click this pencil icon. Now this time total delayed minutes greater than, or equal to 60, and less than, 120. So in that case the color should be yellow. Now let me go and use neutral emoji. Let's click save. See, now that's why it is showing yellow. Now what if the delay is reduced? So if there is any train the delay is reduced less than 60, automatically here it should appear green. So for that, let's go and create one more rule. So here, if it is less than 30, if it is less than 30, the color should be green and icon should be the smiley. But here it would not show. Why? Because all the trains which is delayed more than 100 minutes. Okay. Now we defined conditional formatting. Click on done. See, now here you can see this. Now here you can see this. Okay. Hmm. Okay, fine. Now what I will do, let's go and create some more charts. Like I would like to see the average delay by train type, Okay, here let me take this, let me go here. So let me take a new visual. Let's take this time. Let me take bar chart. Okay, so here let me paste this code. Here what we are doing, we are calculating the total delay and we are doing the average on top of total delay, and we are sorting it. Let me click on run. Once if I run this, here you can see goods train which is having more delay, followed by super fast, express, shatabdi and passenger. Now what we will do, let me go and change the name of this. So average delay by train type. Let me go to the general. Let me paste it here. So now what I will do, I would like to change this to the red because it's a delay type. Now let me click on done. Okay, fine. Now here you can see this one. Now here you can see this one. Okay, fine. Now let's go and do one more last calculation. Trains current status, trains count by current status, which is arrived versus left, let's go and take donut chart. I don't think there is donut chart. Let me take pie chart. Okay, here let me paste this. Here what we are doing, we are calculating the, I mean, last 30 minutes data, and we are summarizing the this one last fetch date by train number, and we are summarizing the count by status. Now let me run this. If I run this, see here what's happening by status. See, the arrived trains are 39. I mean, currently it is the trains are at the station. The left trains are in between the stations are 60.9, which is 14 trains. 14 plus 9, maybe 23. Yes. Now let's go and rename this train count by arrived versus left. Okay, okay, now let's click, or else let me go and change the colors. Arrived, let me take green. Left, let me take some purple color. Okay, let me click done. Now here you can see this one. Okay, now dashboard building is completed. Now for this dashboard we need to give a name. So let's take markdown text tile. So here what you can do, you can delete the existing text, and what I'll do, let me take this title. Let me take this title. Let me paste it here. See now here you can see Indian Railways Konkan Railway Zone live operations dashboard. Let me remove this tile name. Let's click done. See now here you are added to this markdown text. Now let me push this to top. See now here you can see dashboard is built. Dashboard is built. So first let's save this. Click on this save icon. See dashboard saving was successful. Now you can set a refresh. See now it is refreshed as of 11 minutes 12 minutes. Let me refresh it. See this is manual refresh, but you can schedule it. Go to the manage refresh settings. So go and use live dashboard. Dashboard visual will be refreshed automatically once newly ingested data is added to the data source. It means if the data is added here in event stream, automatically here it would refresh. Let's select this. Let's go to the settings, refresh rate limit. Let's go and take 1 minute. Now let's click apply. See now here the icon is changed. The icon is changed. Okay, so this is how you can build the railways live operations dashboard with the help of Microsoft Fabric real-time intelligence. Now let me go and give you a quick recap. Let me save this. So now first let me tell you what are the workloads I created. If I go to the workspace, see I created Eventhouse and KQL Database, one event stream and one live dashboard, the real-time dashboard. 4 workloads I created. Okay, now here you can see in this today's video I explained you how you can build the Indian Railways real-time live operations dashboard. So as part of that we created Eventhouse with KQL database and we created Eventstream, and by using the open HTTP connector with the help of web API we pulled the Konkan Railways data into Eventstream and we processed it. Later here we cleaned and we created some supported tables, and with the help of KQL query set we created a real-time live operations dashboard. All right, I hope you all like this video. Please like, share, comment this video. Please subscribe NDAC YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching this video. Let's meet in another interesting video.